Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a email signature in Gmail. So if you want to create a email signature, so what you have to do, so first here you will see setting option. Just click on this setting option and here you will see all settings. Okay, click on this see all settings. Now you have to make sure that you are in general setting. Okay, now here you have to just scroll down, and when you scroll down here you will see signature options. Okay, so I have already created a signature, but if you want to create a new signature, just click on the create new. Okay, now here you have to just enter the name of the signature. Okay, personal signature. Okay, like this, and now you have to just click on create. Now here you can just type your name. Okay, your country name, or you can also here you just add regards. Okay, from now enter your name, your company name. Okay, you can also choose which font you want to choose for the signature. Okay, you can also make it bold, text size large, use. Okay, you can also select the color, and you can paste a link here. You can also insert an image. If you want to insert any image, you can insert an image to select from computer or your device, whichever you want. And you can also here a 1 2 lining number list. Okay, you can align that like this. You can select many things here. So now here you will see for new emails you can set up the for new emails, no signature, company signature or personal signature. You can choose. If you get new emails, you can choose here from it. And if you want to reply or forward use, you can just select here reply or forward use, which signature you want when you reply or forward any email. Okay, you can select it from here. I insert signature before quote text in replies, or remove in line or proceed. You can tick on it, and after that we have to just click on the save changes. So, okay, so you need save changes. So like this you can create a signature in Gmail. Okay, so if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.